boys and girls, ladies and gents, and members of the Big Red Food Army. It's your General Big Red, back for another Big Red snack attack. What do we have on deck today? It involves this, and you know when you see one of them little cups, you know what's coming. Some sort of cookie. Today we got Oreo Golden. And I know y'all going to say, well, we saw you do the Goldens in the Oreo Dunk Challenge, but I never reviewed them. So let's get to the reviewing here. So here we go. As you can see, yep, they have been in the dunk videos. They half eaten. I want to eat them before they go stale. Now, with a glass of milk, these are good. Let's try them by themselves. It's like regular Oreos stuffing with a golden cookie. I think they're better in the dunked in the milk. I think most cookies are better dunked in milk. Hey son, you want to try one of these golden Oreos? Getting that playing out. Boo, 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 boo. Video games. I think whenever you dunk them in the milk, it enhances the cream flavor. So yeah, let me do one without the milk again. Definitely better in the milk. I can definitely say this. I like these better than regular Oreos. But then again, y'all that have been hanging out with your boy for a while. No, I'm not that big of a chocolate fan. But I did see they just came out with, I had 10 Oreo flavors in that Dunk Challenge. And I noticed since then they have come out with a new flavor. Just like recently, they did a Dunkin' Donut mocha coffee flavor. I don't know if I'll be able to finish all the other Oreos before I get to that one, because I don't want to keep buying stuff and have it just sit there when I'm going bad or something. And I don't like wasting food. Y'all know that. You can't have no Oreos, but you could come say hello to the peoples. Come on. Come say hello to the people. What? Come here. Come on. No? You want me to pet you, but you don't want to come to me. Hmm? Typical cat. You know, one person once told me this, and I find it to be so true. So here I am. Dogs are there to please their owner. Cats are there for their owners to please them. Ain't that right? Huh? Is that right? Am I supposed to please you? Snuffy, snuffy. Here. Smells good. Does it get your approval? Alright, so those are all gone. It's down this. Milk is like, besides water, milk is my favorite drink. To me, milk is just so amazing. But milk's one of those kind of drinks that you can't drink a lot of it and then go outside in the heat. That's a surefire way to mess up your stomach quick. Yeah, I could drink gallons and gallons of milk. I love milk. Milk is so good. Milk is your friend. So, anyhow, let's review these here golden Oreos. So Nabisco, for your golden Oreo, I'm going to have to go ahead and give y'all a 3.5. It would have gotten a 3, but it's better than a regular Oreo, so you got that extra 0.5 going for you. Yeah, it's a basic cookie with a little cream filling. Nothing that gets me overly excited, so there you have it, 3.5. Over here, got a subscription button. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Next to it's a notification bell. Click that, you'll be notified when I have new content. Over here, thumbs up, thumbs down, bow, bow, bow. Smash me with one, it doesn't matter which. We like these better. And down below is a description box with a description to this video with links to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Follow me on all social media. And then there's a link to this channel's homepage where you can find all my older content separated by series. But you got to go to the homepage and then hit playlist to make sure you see all the different series, because the homepage doesn't allow me to put them all on there for some reason. And I don't know why. I can't figure it out. It's not like Google or YouTube has a 1-800 number where they'll pick up and say, yeah, Big Red, this is how you do it. So, with that being said, click the link, go to the home page. If you don't see what you want on the front page, go to the playlist, and then you'll have all the different categories separated by playlist. With that being said, there's also a link to my friend's webpage where you can find, it's his t-shirt shop that he had. He's got a brick and mortar building, plus he does conventions. So if you're in Old Town Spring, you could just go there, or Spring, Texas, North Houston, Woodlands area. You can go straight to a shop, order the shirt. They'll be able to help you out. You could go to the website, which is the link below. It'll take you directly to my page. Then, or you could go up to the top there and go to www.teamp.com. That's www.teeimp.com. And with that being said, you'll have to travel the navigation bar down to Big Red Show, or The Big Red Show. And then you'll be able to get the shirts from there. While you're there, check out his shirts. He does comic books, anime, cartoon, TV, movie, sports, anything pop culture related. He's got it there pretty much. He's a custom shop too, so call the phone number on the website, and you'll be able to make a custom order. They'll actually email them the graphics. They'll either have to tweak it or whatever, but for the most part, if you got it in your mind, they could put it on a shirt for you, so check that out. Also, down below is a comment section. Type me out a comment. I'll type you one back. Show me yours, and I'll show you mine. You know you want to see it. Come on, I'm talking about comments. Get your mind out the gutter, people. So, there you have it. So, from my day one sub to my newest sub, from just y'all that lurk and linger, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for hanging out, watching the videos. From the bottom of my belly to the top of my bald head, I appreciate each and every one of you guys so much. And I just need y'all to do me a little favor. I need you to tell your ma, tell your pa, tell your greasy grandma. Share this video with your family and friends. Share it with your farm animals, your domesticated animals. Share it with your aunt, your uncle, your road dog, your ace number one boon coon. It don't matter who you share it with, just share it. There's just too much of this Big Red to be kept in one little spot. You need to put it out to the world. And the only way to do that is to share the videos. And I don't care how you share it. Email, snail mail, chain mail, mail order, freaking Instagram, Teddygram, Strippergram, Mammogram, Sonogram, Facebook, Twitter, Twatter. Don't matter. Put it in a bottle, throw it in the ocean. Maybe some lonely sailor will come across it. We don't know. But we'll never know unless you share. Show them how you get down with Big Red. Big Red gets new videos up once a day, 7 days a week. I usually put them up sometime in the early morning and let it roll all night. So, there you have it. I've been Big Red for another Big Red Snack Attack, and I'll see you guys next time at the vending machine. I'm out. Got shits to do.